What's going on, y'all? We making meatloaf today because my wife brought home some ground beef. 90-10 though. But anyway, we're going to start off with our meat. Add 1 egg. Rain on it with a little salt. Some white pepper. Some garlic and onion powder. A little bit of oregano and basil. Hit it with some Worcestershire sauce. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Our veg, which is onion, celery, and bell pepper. 1 cup of breadcrumb. I'm using panko. And then we just gonna give this a good mix. With them hands, y'all, with them hands. And we're gonna mix it up until it look just like this. Then we're gonna get it into our pan. Now when you put it in your pan, you wanna make sure as you're putting it in that you're trying to decrease air pockets in that pan. So you wanna push that down, making sure you release as much air as possible. Once we get it all molded and ready, we're gonna get it into a 350-degree oven. On the side, we're gonna have potatoes. So we using these baby potatoes, and all I did was put a little olive oil on them. Gave it a shake to get that olive oil all over those potatoes. Then I rained on it with a little salt. A little white pepper, and a little bit of garlic. Then I gave it another shake and got it straight into that oven with that meatloaf. So yeah, let's go and check that meatloaf. We looking for 160, y'all. And guess what? It's there. So let's plate up, y'all. So I had mixed vegetables with mine. And of course, those beautiful potatoes. And had to give me a piece of that meatloaf. We worked so hard on it. Had to taste it. And once we got it all plated up, we hit it with a little bit of gravy. But let me tell y'all, this meatloaf was good, but it was missing the fat. I would prefer 80-20 on this dish. It still was good, but that 80-20 is king, y'all. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.